Good morning everybody, welcome back to the studio, to my kitchen, to the French chef. Today we're going to do something very funny, different, funny, but very tasty. We are going to make potato chips, much better than the one you buy in a shop. With what? Just 3 potato, the red royal. And a little bit of oil, and parchment, and most important, we want to use a mandoline, and you can get a cheap one at the shop, and like that you slice very thin slice. Okay, we're going to have a fun this morning. You wash well the potato to be sure there's no dirt left. Then you prepare a bowl of water to stop the potatoes getting black. We adjust the mandoline. You want to do small slice, so the first one, okay, see, they're regular, but they're too small, okay? So I just wet. This one was have to be good. When it starts to be half, when you're halfway, you put the guard. What you have done is nice little potato, see? And you put them in water. Beautiful. That saves a lot of work. That's enough for the first batch. Doing another potato. Same. The first one will be doing something else with it. We won't put it in a bin. We'll be doing something else. With all the spare sliced potato, I do a creamy potato bake. You can see my video by clicking the link in the top right corner. That to be nice size. Okay. This one no good. Try to make them regular. Rinse off the starch. That will help cooking evenly and prevent to create a gummy or sticky texture on the outside. I put fresh water. Now be careful not to break them, of course. Okay, after 2 or 3 times, the water is clear. Now, no more starch. Okay, what we do now, I'll be putting some salt, table salt, in my potato, and I'll be mixing. Let them soak in the salty water for 15 to 30 minutes now. This will help them to cook more crispy. During this time, prepare your parchment the size of your microwave plate. Brush some canola oil on the baking paper. After half an hour, we can drain our potato. And give them a good rinse. After that, we can drain them. Next operation is to dry them well on tea towel or paper towel. Place the slices on a parchment and brush the top with oil. Then we are ready to cook the first batch. Be careful not to burn. Remove the cooked one. Oh, some of the chips have to be ready. This one are ready. Oh, nice. Nice. As you notice, they shrink a little bit, but they'll be lovely. Yeah, they're getting ready. You don't have to turn them around because they cook on both sides. A few more seconds and they will be ready. Beautiful. Already. Very nice. Our next operation, you put some salt. Very nice. You try them. Crispy. Beautiful. That's how we make fresh and crispy potato chips. This is our beautiful chips cooked in a microwave. Delicious. The first sauce is a spicy jalapeno burger sauce. The second sauce is a traditional yogurt, garlic, cucumber, and chives. Okay, that's the product finished. Let's try. Crunchy, very nice. Now let's try the tzatziki. Crunchy, easy. See, that's made with half a potato. Okay, you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye now. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching and thank you for sharing and commenting.